boys and girls, and welcome to your weekly spelling lesson. This week our spelling pattern is the S for a Z sound. So we are learning to spell, and we're learning to spell words with the S for a Z sound spelling pattern. To be successful today, we need to be able to think of some words that have the spelling pattern, identify the spelling pattern in our spelling words. We need to know the meaning of the new words that we're learning, and we need to be able to use the words in a sentence. And we also need to be able to spell the words. So our spelling pattern is the S for a Z sound. So you all know that a Z sound in a word can be made by using the letter Z. For example, in buzz, the Z makes the Z sound. However, in words such as goes, does, is, rose, and as, there is a Z sound, but we don't use a Z. We instead use an S. So here is a little look at your mild words. In class, we normally have a photo of our words and we have a guess of what our words might be. So I'm going to let you pause the video and think of a guess of what the 6 mild words could be. So pause here. So the first mild word, it says easy peasy lemon squeezy on the image. The word is easy, easy. The next word, I would like to know all your guesses, but I can't hear them at the moment. The next word is busy. The next one is nose. The next one is result. The next one is, I'm not sure I can see that one, it's hiding, prison. And the next one is dismal. So in all of these words, the S makes a Z sound. Here is the spicy words. Have a little pause here and have a guess of what the spicy words are and try and give them a go at spelling them. So your spicy words are, first one is cosmic, cosmic. The next one is positive, positive. The next one is misery, misery. Doesn't look very happy, does he? The next one is present. The next one is president. I think I need to update my PowerPoint for that picture. And the next one is raspberry, raspberry. Let's have a look at the hot words. So here are your hot words. Have a little pause here and have a guess of what the words might be and how to spell them. So the hot words are, first of all, phase, phase, and this picture shows the moon in different phases. The next one is invisible, invisible. The next one is business, business. The next one is inquisitive, inquisitive. The next one is preposition, preposition. And the final one is enthusiastic, enthusiastic. So here is a little list of all your words for this week. What I would like you to do is I'd like you to write them all out and to highlight the spelling pattern in each of the words. So highlight the S that makes a Z sound. Here are the answers. So you can see that I've highlighted the S in all of the words. So if there's any words you're not sure of, now is your chance to go and look them up in the dictionary and find out what they mean. And just be careful of some of the words. For example, in phase, phase, the P makes a F sound. So be careful if you're learning the hot words this week. Also, in raspberry, remember the P. It can be easy to forget because you might not say it properly. And in business, Remember your eh, because it can be easy to just say business and forget your eh when you're sounding it out. So have a little go at your worksheet now. So for your worksheet, what I'd like you to do is find the words in the word search at the top of the page and either colour them in or mark them with a pencil. Then there's 6 words I'd like you to look up in the dictionary and see what page they're on and write down the page number. The bottom asks you to parse a sentence. Now a few of you messaged me asking, what does this mean? What I would like you to do is this. Your noun, which is your naming word, I'd like you to underline with a black pencil. Any naming words. So that could be something like a banana, a table, a name of something. Your verbs, the doing words, such as jumping, running, hopping, I'd like you to underline in red. Your adjectives, your describing words, such as big, blue, orange, etc., I'd like you to underline in blue. Your adverbs, your word that describes your verbs, this is words like quickly or slowly, describes the movement, describes the doing word. I'd like you to underline in orange. And your conjunction, that's words that join sentences together, such as but, however, and. I'd like you to underline in purple. So have a go at the worksheet and see how you get on. The answers for parsing the sentence are on the following slide, so pause the video here and then you can check your answers in the next slide. So to parse the sentence, I carefully cut the paper with my sharp scissors. So the nouns are underlined in black, so that's scissors and paper. Your adjectives are blue, so that's sharp. And your verb is red, so that's cut. And your adverb is yellow, carefully. The next example, he quickly ate the English raspberries and cream for dessert. So raspberries, cream and dessert are in black because they're nouns. English describes the type of raspberries, so it is blue because it's an adjective. Ate is what the person's doing, so he ate something, so it's red because it's a verb. And quickly describes the way he ate it, so it's orange. And your conjunction, your word that joins 2 sentences, is and it's underlined in purple. If you would like to do some other activities to practice your spelling words, you could do bubble writing and practice writing them out in bubble words. You could do silly sentences. You could paint your words, or you could even go outside and maybe create your words. Maybe you could go to the beach and write your words in the sand. It is up to you. Please upload your work to the learning journals or to Teams for me to have a look at, and I'm looking forward to seeing them all. Bye for now.